Oh my god, I think my early morning flight is going to be canceled. I understand why they didn't come to pick up my packages. Okay guys, this is insane. No. Hi you guys, I am so happy to be back in touch with you on this channel. I've just, like usual it seems lately, I'm really trying to get better about it. I've just been overwhelmed with other things. I've still been filming, but I'm just not prioritizing the editing and uploading like I should be. So yeah, it is pretty late on a Friday night right now. I am exhausted from a workout class. I've been trying to get more into doing my workout classes. I'm freshly showered, treated myself to some face masks on my way home and a salad. It might not seem like this to you guys, but I feel like I never spend on things for myself, or I rarely spend on things for myself except for food. Like, I know I do hauls sometimes, but a lot of times they're like pretty packed with things that I was gifted. I always disclose that, but yeah, it'll usually be like one somewhat big purchase like every 3 or 4 months. And then maybe like a few thrift finds here and there. But I bought myself some face masks. And I actually put my ClassPass membership to use this month, which I am not very good about doing. I've been feeling really off the past like week. Even when I was in New Mexico, I feel like I've just felt off mentally. This is also going to be a real vlog. Sorry for rambling right now, but a lot of these clips are like super tranquil, which I know a lot of you guys really like. I really love watching stuff like that. But if you're wanting me to chat more, I'm giving you a bit of that now and just kind of catching you up on my life. But yeah, I've just been feeling kind of off mentally, been trying to take care of myself, do some more reading, some more journaling, actually going to yoga classes, although I feel like I just shoved myself into this too fast. My joints are so sore. I don't know, I used to go to yoga classes like every day, and now I'm lucky if I go twice a month. I'm bad at prioritizing like self-care related things, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. It just doesn't feel productive to me, but then I realize that it actually is like a very productive way to be spending my time. I'm always setting out like goals and to-do lists, writing things that I need to get done work-wise, and you know, those sort of goals that I seem to care a lot more about mentally, which I don't think is a bad thing necessarily. I just need to reset my brain, and I'm sure, like I said, a lot of you guys do too, and hopefully this can kind of be your motivation. That's not to say like me buying face masks is resetting my brain at all. That was just like a little sign of love to myself, and like going to the workout classes, actually taking time to read and write at the end of the day instead of staying on my computer doing God knows what. Yeah, it's really good. But it was so nice to get away from the city and get to New Mexico. Avery and I were there, and we were working on a story for Heroine, which actually just went live. So if you guys don't know what Heroine is, it's relatively new, but it is the sister site of Grailed. So Grailed is mainly menswear. There's some women's stuff sold on there, of course, and who cares if you're a girl? You can definitely shop boys' clothing. Oh my god. Also, an update. A lot of you guys have been following me for a while since I've lived in this apartment. There is an elderly man that lives across the street. He's always nude. Maybe he just has a weird work schedule. I don't know. I try to make excuses for him, but he's always opening his fucking blinds and curtains in the middle of the night, and my blinds are broken right now, and I just haven't bothered to fix them because I'm about to move out this month. And he's just always, I always find him looking at me, and it's not okay. That might be a bit of an exaggeration, but like, why is he opening them this late at night? I don't like this. I think sometimes I do make him like a bit uncomfortable about it though, and then he goes away. Can't wait to get out of here. But getting away to New Mexico, like I was saying, is really nice. It's so good to get out of the city. I feel like I really appreciate the nature. Just even watching these clips calmed me down so much, just because there's so much honking here and there's not much greenery. Like, I don't really think the parks count. Like, Central Park is really nice, of course, and I live quite close to it on the Upper East Side, but it's just not the same thing at all. So going on hikes, just being around it all was great. And I've never really visited anywhere like New Mexico before. I've been to Colorado. I went last summer with Avery, but it was cool to see the different landscape because, like I said, haven't really seen that before, aside from California, kind of, but not really. But also with the heroine story, like I said, that is published now. It's a bunch of film photos and kind of an interview with me. Not kind of, it is an interview with me. And just kind of about my entire journey. And then I'm also selling some pieces on their site. Some pieces that I gave up. There's some good ones. Heroine is pretty much all designer stuff. Same with Grailed. But everything is priced really well. So some things have already sold, but I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go shop it. I'm also listing a bunch of stuff on Depop, homeware related things included, just because I am gearing up to move. And you guys keep asking where I'm moving and I don't fucking know. So yeah, that's the truth. I do have a flight out of New York City to go to Avery's graduation. And then we're trying to leave the country and travel around. So yeah, we don't have that booked yet, but it's just because we've been too busy to book it. So let's get into these clips, you guys.
The doors are closing. Please hold on.
Devices, as long as they are set to airplane mode. These items must be secured in a
Goodness, that's so beautiful. You take a picture of
We are off to get some lunch.
Oh, look at that sun.
Yeah, it feels great.
This is the good vegan fast food.